Actually, this shoe is fantabulous because it's fantastic and fabulous. This is a new designer called Teranzini. This shoe is amazing. Take a look at it on my foot. Here it is, nice beautiful pony hair and a cognac leather. And take a look at that fantastic wood platform heel. Lady, this shoe is to die for. You must get one in your wardrobe. Here we are right here with another great NYX hot pick rain boot. Ladies, they're not galoshes anymore. They're fun, they're insulated, they're comfortable, they're beautiful. Take a look at that. Gotta get some, less than $50 at Central Steps. Until then, you've heard from NYX hot new picks. Come on down to Central Steps. Have a little fun with us.